Hi, I'm Amal, your guide at I LEARN Tutors. Welcome to our family, where learning is fun, supportive, and empowering. We're excited to be part of your journey. If you haven't signed up yet, it's not too late. Join I LEARN Tutors today and start your learning journey with our free trial. Visit www.ilearn-tutor.com. At I LEARN Tutors, your online safety always comes first. We are committed to keeping your personal information protected, secure, and safe at all times. Learn with confidence in a trusted and supportive environment. Never share your personal information with people you don't know online. If anyone asks for your phone number, address, email, or private details, do not share them. Contact our safeguarding team at safeguarding@ilearn.tutors if something makes you feel unsafe or uncomfortable. We can't wait to see you flourish and grow at I LEARN Tutors, a place where you will be empowered to learn, achieve, and build confidence for the future. Your journey to success starts here.